Hello, do you still remember me? Yeah, I'm Dia Supraba. Together, we will learn how to make video for English language teaching. We will meet on October 7th and October 14th by Zoom. And then we will learn how to prepare the presentation for your video. We will learn how to record your video. And finally, you will learn how to upload your video on YouTube. And voila, your video is ready to provide more material, to give more exposure for your student, and it also can be easily accessed by your student. And who knows, maybe you can become the next famous YouTuber.